Welcome to FMA Mechatronic Solutions. FMA has been rooted in Schaan, in the Principality of Liechtenstein, since 1955. Today, with a second location in Feldkirchen-Westerham, Germany, we support industrial companies across both locations. We develop and assemble mechatronic assemblies and devices, from the initial idea through to series production. Thanks to our short communication and decision-making channels, we can respond quickly and adapt flexibly to a wide range of requirements. Lean processes, sustainable practices, and long-term continuity shape our corporate philosophy. As both a system supplier and a local partner, we focus on quality and reliable on-time delivery to actively contribute to the success of our partner companies. We provide a comprehensive 360-degree solution for mechatronic assemblies, from identifying the right solution and engineering through to optimized procurement. As a mechatronics specialist, we handle prototype production, scalable series manufacturing, standards-compliant intermediate and final inspections, as well as the delivery of ready-to-install assemblies. Thank you for your interest. We look forward to welcoming you.